Hi, I'm Chris, founder of Vector Charts. In this video, I'll show you how to add nautical charts to Mapbox GLJS. If you'd like to follow along with any of these examples, we have source code available at Vector Charts example apps on GitHub, which is linked at the bottom of our webpage. This video assumes that you've already signed up for a Vector Charts Cloud account. If you haven't done that already, go to vectorcharts.com and click Get Started. Once you have your Vector Charts Cloud account, you'll want to be logged into the Cloud dashboard so you can copy your token. Here, I'm logged in to a demo account and I have my token ready to use. So I've got an application running Mapbox GLJS and I want to add vector charts to it. So you can see here I've got the default style from Mapbox. And if we go over to the code, I can see where I've set up Mapbox's library. I'm initializing the map with the default style. So all we have to do to add vector charts to a Mapbox map is change the style that the map is initialized with to the URL given by vector charts. So going back to the vector charts cloud, select Mapbox GLJS from the Get Started and copy this URL, which is to the style and includes your token. So back in the application, I'm going to change the style for my Mapbox GL map to vector charts' style URL. So we can save that. When we go back to the application, we'll see that it's now loading vector charts as a style. And when I zoom around, we'll see it's loaded all the icons and fonts needed to render in vector charts. The style URL includes a number of parameters that can change the appearance of the map. For a full detail on what you can customize, go to docs.vectorcharts.com and read through the theming section, which details some of the parameters that are available to you. And that's it. That's how easy it is to get started adding nautical charts into Mapbox GLJS. If you have any questions or comments, just reach out to us on our website with the Contact Us form and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.